Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Alright, you guys. Today we are stuffing our freebies. Welcome back once again. Alright, so let's count up what we're stuffing today. We have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, $21 is what we're working with today. And we need to get some change because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 2, 3, 4, 5. We're making some good progress on our savings challenges, so we want to keep that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 6 savings challenges going now. And since we have 6 savings challenges, we're going to roll the dice. And we are going to give whichever savings challenge it lands on 2 bills. Let's make it good. 1. And this one needs 1, 2, 3. Okay. 6. Uh-oh. This one is a scratch and save. So we're not going to do $2. We're just going to scratch it. Get my coin there from last time. 8. 8. Okay, this one we're going to have to leave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Alright, we'll come back to it because I want to tell you where I got each savings challenge from. Let's see here. So number 6 is out of there. Number 1 is out of there as well because we've completed 1, 2, 3. Completes that savings challenge. 6 is out of there. 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 5, 1, 2. All right, 4. All right, number 4 is a scratch. Okay. 1. Okay. All right, so that's good because that means that the last one is $3 because it's a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 challenge. 1. Oh, 1's out of there. No, 6, 4. Okay, now was that number 4? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and it's $3. I know it's 3 because, oh well, I don't know it's 3, but I think it's 3. Yes, okay. Okay. And we're going to add $3. So that savings challenge is completed, but let's start from the beginning. And let's add this $3. This savings challenge is from Save with Rose. So we have 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So in total, this savings challenge saved me 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Love to see it happen that way. All right. Don't want to get any. I thought that one got money. Okay, I'm not even going to worry about it. If I messed it up, I messed it up. I'll live with it. $2 going into this savings challenge. This one is from Books and Finances and Budgets PJ. This one was a collaboration. We're adding $2. In total, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. And we need to rewind and go back to the other savings challenge because whether it got money or not, I do want to tell you that I got this freebie from Batty Bankroll. So, and this savings challenge has $6 in it so far. All right. So our 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 challenge is from Foxy Finances. She did send this to me in the mail. I'm not certain it's actually a freebie, but she sent it to me as a freebie because, of course, I'm special. No, just kidding. Yeah, sometimes people have mailing lists and sometimes they reach out. And if you see something on somebody's channel and you love it and you think, dang, I would really love to have that, reach out to them. and see, you know, sometimes our finances, they're just not in the position where we can pay for something. That's been the case for me here lately. So this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 challenge, which I was a little bit afraid to do, was incredible. We saved 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. So awesome. $15. All right, and this next beauty is getting $4. Doing this one as a roll and save. This savings challenge is from Budget for Success. And I did get this a while ago, and so I'm so glad to finally be using it. All right, so far we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. Trying to make sure it's dry. Oh no. 2, 4, 10, 14. Okay, I was making sure I wrote in the amount. I forgot that quickly if I wrote in the amount. Okay, sorry, you have to excuse my brain is apparently perimenopause. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is what we scratched. Perfect. So now in total we have a lot of cash. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17. This saving challenge is from Ellie on Earth. She does have, well, she did. I'm not certain if she still does have the mailing list. So definitely reach out to her because I was super excited to get her saving challenges in the mail. I got a couple of them actually. So very, very cool. Alright, so since we did complete a couple savings challenges, I'm going to grab my sinking funds binder. One moment. Alright, perfect. So my sinking funds binder is, that cash is dwindling away very, very quickly. It happens that way for me, you guys. I don't stress about it because that's what it's there for us to spend it how we see fit. So I'm going to go ahead and add this cash to my sinking funds envelope. When I'm ready to do a cash stuffing, I will definitely be back for that. But in the meantime, I want to thank all of you ladies who have been offering up those freebies. It's so crazy to be able to enjoy saving as much as I have been, thanks to you all and your freebies. So thanks again, you guys. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, guys. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye.